Welcome back to the Bates Kitchen. I'm so excited to have you here for a very special episode with my brother Lawson Bates and my ultimate chicken parmesan.
Guys, this is creamy, cheesy, and all poured onto the crispiest piece of chicken ever. You're gonna absolutely love it.
A true match made in heaven. I'm talking about the pasta, not us.
Oh.
Lawson, here's your microphone.
Oh,
Alrighty.
before you put your mic on, I've got you your official Bates
word.
Kitchen apron.
I can't believe it, guys. This
You,
feels like
Jackson,
a
and Warden now.
Experience. I finally made it.
So the first thing we're going to do is shred our Parmesan. This will take you back to the big house. It's always the littlest kid's job to shred the
Shredded
cheese.
a lot of cheese, but I ain't been the littlest kid in a long time. See,
No, you're shredded now. Here you go. I'll just shred some cheese.
Okay, I can shred some
Shred
cheese.
that real fine. Now, the crazy thing is,
See, I'm good at one thing.
we ate a lot of meals together,
Oh, that's right. Tons.
but I don't think we've ever cooked together.
Never cooked together. You know, when you're growing up and there's a billion siblings, and there's a lot of boys especially, it's just grab anything you can eat and eat it as fast as possible
Eat as
before
fast
somebody
as you can.
takes it. But as you become an adult, you realize that's not very mannerly in public if you just be grabbing everything you could eat. All of my childhood punishments have now become my adult goals. Nap time, sleep, going to the gym, eating my vegetables, no sugary drinks. So yeah,
Hey, I love my vegetables now. I'll tell you.
I do too.
You know
love
what? I
vegetables.
might throw some asparagus in with this. Asparagus goes good with any pasta.
That's exactly
We'll
right.
throw some in. I'll throw some in the broiler.
Okay, think we got enough here?
I
my
think
word.
that's close.
That's a lot of cheese.
Okay.
Oh my word, he's a whoa!
Well, we're just
That's how
gonna
you
hurry
really shred cheese. Oh my word!
You got it.
now. We want a cheesy, creamy sauce, buddy.
Whitney's coming through. She's grabbing a what?
I like it in the
I'm
background.
grabbing a snack. We're all out here.
Fruit
eating,
pizza.
So I'm grabbing a snack.
Okay.
This is not a diet. This is not
Sorry,
fruit.
Dan.
Not Americanized Italian food. You've got to have garlics.
You got to.
And of course, I always throw in a little bit of shallot because why not? This is my favorite part of cooking. I think half of my cooking is just so I can play with my knives. I'm gonna put my shallots and garlics in this separately. The garlic will only cook for about 30 seconds. These will cook for a couple minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our chicken ready here.
It's gonna be so good, guys.
Good chicken.
The OG Bates know. The OG.
OG Bates, no. I love when you say
Yeah,
that.
the OG Bates know, and the OG Bates fans know. I was the original family shopper. Every other day, it felt like I was buying 6 family packs of chicken. Basically, 6 family packs of everything they had in the store. It felt like.
You know what I'm gonna tell you, Lawson?
Tell me.
When we, the OG Bates,
I
actually
am the
counted the
OG
OG Bates, we always counted in the groups of 3.
No,
It was
it's the
Zach,
first
Michael,
4.
Aaron.
It was Zach, Michael, Aaron, Lawson,
Lawson,
then
Nathan.
everybody else. No,
Lawson Nathan was a group.
No.
And then it was
no.
Alyssa, Tori, Trace in a group.
Hilarious.
And then Carlin, Josie, and Katie. That's the way the OG Bates. And the OG Bates shopper was Dad.
Guys.
Because he could tell you, people from church would call him and be like, hey, where's the best place to buy ground
Food City
round?
has it
He'd be
20
like,
cents
Food City
cheaper
has
than
it for
Kroger.
20 cents cheaper than Ingles this week. And I saw that they had eggs because Dad worked for Nabisco. He was in the grocery stores all the time.
Yep.
So he could tell you every price. He somehow memorized
He knew 'em
every
all.
price. But you did become the OG of the children shoppers.
I had to become it. But you know what? Zach does have one thing wrong because the math doesn't lie. And there is actually a perfect sequence to the Bates family children, the original 19. It goes Zach, Michael, Aaron, Lawson. And then it's an exact duplicate. Nathan, Alyssa, Tori, Trace. See? Boy, 2 girls, and a boy. Math don't lie. So no matter what they say, there is
And
no
then where's
sets
it
of
go?
3. New, we got a new ratio now, okay? So after that, it goes 3, 3, 3, 2.
Alrighty, so we salt every step. You never go wrong with that. I'll let you
too much
salt and
salt.
pepper the chicken.
I'm
just kind of lightly salt it all. So this is a seasoning blend. All of my recipes for everything I cook are always in the caption. So this is in there. This is my little seasoning blend I'm gonna mix into this flour because seasoned flour tastes so much better than unseasoned flour. Then I'll put a little salt and pepper in my breadcrumb
Okay.
and a little bit of Italian seasoning.
Oh, wow.
Spill some on the counter there while I'm at it.
If you ain't spilling a little bit of it, you ain't a real cook.
Then I'm gonna make my egg wash. This is real simple. Normally with egg washes I use buttermilk, but I'm leaving it out this time. I'm gonna try it with just eggs and a little bit of water if I need it for consistency.
Do we whip them?
And we're gonna whip these up. You can
boom,
whisk
boom,
whisk
boom.
this first,
Okay.
and then whisk this. And I'm gonna go throw in my eggshells.
Alrighty. We're whisking away, guys.
Alrighty. This is the most important part of everything. It's the chicken. This is the star of the show.
Okay.
So we've got it seasoned, and you want to use a wet hand and a dry hand for this, or you're going to have two really, really messy hands.
This is getting complicated now.
This is not that hard, though.
Left, right.
We're going to pat this down into this
Okay.
flour, this seasoned flour. Shake it off. See, it's really coated with flour. Now, you can actually cook that straight in like that.
Okay, if you
less
wanted that.
less stuff. I like a little
More
crispy or
protein,
crunchy
though.
breading. Yep, so we're going to get this down in this egg wash. I forgot to stir this up. Will you whisk this for me? I forgot that.
Absolutely. See how much I can mess up. The cook don't have to clean. That's something that used to be.
That used to be the rule in the
Bates
big
rule.
house.
The cook don't have to clean. So I don't know.
So we'll
who's
put that
gonna
down
clean
there,
here.
and
I
then I'll
guess we'll
take my
get
dry
Casey
hand.
Bradley in here.
And I'll kind of rake it over with this.
That looks good right now.
With these breadcrumbs as well.
Okay.
So this has Parmesan cheese, and again, it's all in the caption. It's got Parmesan cheese, Italian seasoning, and breadcrumbs.
So I'm gonna hit one.
Give it a shot. Don't do what I did, though.
Don't do what Zach did. So let's lay it in there. Oh yeah, this is gonna be heavenly. Where's my plate? Or we put it on the same plate?
Oh.
It tastes great no matter what.
Cooking makes you hungry, which
It
makes your
really
food
does.
taste better. Okay, my eyes got hungry. We only need 3 pieces of chicken, but here we are. So let's take this over to the stove and fry it up.
Right. Do it.
Alrighty, so I got the Mac Daddy piece. We're going to do him first, because why
That's
not?
the big one.
Get the skillet preheated. There we go.
Drop her in there.
Oh, I can listen to that sizzle.
Sounds phenomenal.
Here we go. Fold it away from you, or it will splash you.
Good thinking.
Oh, got that beautiful golden brown on there. We love a golden brown crust. And never guess at your temperature. When you're ready to check it, check it. 165 is actually 168.
We're there.
165, we are there.
There's one.
Put that one aside. Let's flip it over here.
Looks beautiful.
Beautiful. If you want to do them other two,
I'll give it a shot.
we'll get started on the sauce.
So you lay it away from you said, right?
Yep, bottom down and then roll it away from you.
Like this.
Yep. Oh,
And we're in business.
we're in business, brother. This morning, I did something I haven't done in a very long time.
Smells good, guys.
I made some homemade marinara. So I want you to taste this.
Okay, let's try it. And this is homemade.
Homemade.
I love it.
We're going to use this as the base for our rosé, our pink sauce.
That is loaded with
It's
flavor.
loaded, yes. I'm going to move this over here so y'all can see better what we're doing. Got our shallots in here.
Nice.
Dump in our garlic. Add in our marinara. So I wanted to add pasta water to it.
Okay.
To make it stick to our noodles a little better. So I left it very thick, and then this will thin it back out.
Okay.
Now we're going to add in this heavy whipping cream, and this will pink it up.
If that ain't perfection, nothing is.
Well,
Woo.
it's not perfection because we need to add Parmesan.
Oh.
Everything in the world
More
is better.
cheese. The Italian
With
way
cheese.
is always more cheese. What a spread.
I don't know if this is going to work or not, but
It's
we're going to
gonna
try.
work.
The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spoon out some of my sauce.
Okay.
Okay,
Realism is
so,
what we're going for.
Provolone cheese, great
Okay.
flavor.
Okay.
I'm gonna mix in some mozzarella.
Okay.
We want a cheesy one. Mm-hmm. Some parm, that'll give it good cheese pull.
Boom.
And then I'll top it with.
Oh, that's my favorite
you know what?
kind of cheese right there.
I'm going to put this on at the end.
At the end.
After I melt this. Okay,
That's a
so let's
great
broil this.
Okay.
And then we just want to coat our stuff, and I'd reserve a little extra. I'd rather have a little too much out.
That's right.
We're just going to coat our noodles, our rigatoni noodles, in a little bit of
Okay.
sauce.
Okay.
Keep going.
More
keep
than
going,
that.
More than that. Actually, probably about 60% of them can go in there. Spoon a little of the sauce over here. We'll mix some of this in the sauce because you can cheese. This is like salt. You just cheese it at every step.
Why not?
Why not? Okay, so before I spill any more noodles, I'm gonna listen to you, Lawson. Let's go over here and make
Let's
some
go over
plates.
here and make some plates.
Okay,
The moment of truth, guys.
this is the moment of truth.
My
Let's make a
eyes
plate.
are not lying. It looks so good. We're going to be in heaven in just a couple minutes.
Okay, grab that piece of chicken right there you cooked right on top.
Guys, this was my own artwork right there.
Oh,
Here's the
Look
VIP
at that
pour.
jiggler.
Oh,
let's turn
yeah,
it this
yeah,
way.
yeah. This
Here
is
it
going
comes.
to be... Woo-hoo! That is...
Oh,
Oh, my word. Serve it up. Wow. What a setup. I ain't even supposed to pick this plate up probably, but guys.
The internet was
The
for real,
shimmer.
folks. Oh,
Oh. This right here.
look at that.
Tiffany, when you see this video, your husband has leveled up. in the kitchen.
When you see this video, you better demand your plate. The whole reason you cook is for this one moment.
Exactly right, guys. I have been impatiently waiting. Okay, when can we do this? Same time?
Same time, let's just go in. That chicken is still crispy under all that sauce. That's one thing I like about pouring it on is the chicken stays crispier.
Get a lot of sauce on there.
This is a bite too big to eat, and I'm gonna do
Okay.
it anyways.
I'm about to make a mess, but why not? Wow.
Cut the tape, guys.
The layer is so crispy, but you still retain all of the juices inside of that
You do
chicken.
that juicy chicken, and that rigatoni is the perfect pasta for this because it's
Wow.
full of all that sauce, and it like explodes with that sauce in your mouth. Okay, this one was so much fun. Honestly, it was so much fun cooking with you today, Lawson. I can't wait to do this again. But you can go back last week and check out our Q&A. We always ask the audience a bunch of questions, answer those questions whenever we're cooking together. And that episode aired last week. Check that out. Also, check out his channel. He's got the behind the scenes of driving up here to do this. Lots of great content, lots of great stuff for you to watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're hungry and you have a friend that cooks, share this with them and tell
I'm
them they owe
stuffing
you.
my face, guys. That's why I ain't talking. It is that good. I almost have tears. This is
Just cry.
like,
Let it all out.
I gotta take this back to Nashville. This is so good. Tiffany, you're gonna love it as much as I did. Get emotional when I have this much good food in front of me.
You're going to try this and you're going to thank us later.
You bet.